Hi guys, so I am posting after like 20 years, but I did have a cool idea that my client gave me. Shout out to Elizabeth, but she told me, why don't you make a video about comparing prices between Amazon and like Aliexpress and Shein? And I was like, damn, like that's low-key a good idea because I know that they all come in different prices and I know where to get like my things and like I know like the shops I like to buy from and things like that. So I thought it would be pretty cool to like compare all the prices like against each other against the same items. I'm currently on my laptop, but I'm gonna look up some things to compare and just, yeah, so I guess we'll see like what it comes out to be or what items each store has. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I was able to find a good selection of things to compare. Like I got some like solid gems and I got different charms and I got different styles. I don't know. I got a couple different things. I couldn't find certain heart gems for Aliexpress, but I was able to find it on Shein and Amazon, and I was able to find candy hearts, but it was only on Aliexpress and Shein. And yeah, so I'm gonna insert the clips of the different price ranges, exactly like how much I paid, even with taxes, like everything. So yeah, that'll be in the next clip. Okay, so I got the packages, I believe from every single one. I got it from Amazon first, obviously. There's like Prime, I have Prime, so it comes within like 1 or 2 days. Shein it didn't take that long. I think it took like maybe less than a week. And Aliexpress took, I think, 2 weeks to come in. So it wasn't too long of a wait for all of that. But I wanted to start with the Amazon first. So I wrote everything down and saying how much each item was. So the total for Amazon was $80.28. The order for Shein, the total was $23.45, and then the order for Aliexpress is $26.63. So there is a big difference between Amazon and Shein and Aliexpress, but Shein and Aliexpress are pretty like similar in price. It's such a big bag. And excuse my voice, I am recovering from being a little sick. I would have recorded this video earlier, but I was literally down bad. I was down tremendously bad. Okay, so I opened up the Amazon one. The green gems, I don't know if you guys can see it right there. The green gems were $6.74. The red gems were $8.99. And then the gold / champagne gems were $6.99. In the corner of this, I'll probably get a better clip of it. It doesn't have like flat back gems as the smallest gem here. It's kind of like a crystal, which isn't bad. I just haven't seen that before. And I don't think that's how the other ones came with, but like I said, they're pretty similar. These come with tweezers and a little wax pen. Then I got the box of gems. This one, Amazon told me it was around 600 pieces of like shaped gems, and it comes with a dotting tool and it comes with tweezers in here, and also it comes with flat backs, which is a little different from the other ones. But this one was $29.69. The pieces also were a little off. Like some of them came with a little bit more pieces and then some of them came with a little less. But I did calculate them and see how much each piece was, because they all came at different prices. But they all had the same picture for the type of gem that it came with. So I got Valentine's Day gems because I will need them. So our butterfly, 12 butterflies for $4.90, and each one was 40 cents. For more of like the simple heart gems, that one was almost 40 cents each also. It came with 24 pieces. The more bigger heart pieces, heart gems from Amazon, it came with 30, so each one was 26 cents, but in total it was $7.99 for that. And then the stars came 20 pieces and it was $5.99, which means that it was 30 cents per piece. So Amazon, obviously it was $80.28 compared to the other ones. It's literally like 1/4 of the price, which is insane. But it does come quick. It is like at your convenience. Like it comes super fast, and like it comes usually with extras with Aliexpress and Shein. I have noticed before that it doesn't come with like extras, it just comes with the item. So I feel like they try to make it seem like it's more worth the price. I'm gonna open Shein next. So something that's pretty cool from Shein, the box gems. It's literally, it looks like the same exact brand. Font, same diamond in the middle. And the box gems came out to $7.52. So it is less pieces, but that's still a big difference, like regardless of that. It does come with a wax pen, which is nice. Let me open it to see how it looks. But it looks like the same exact brand, which is funny. So actually it does come with the flat back gems, which is pretty crazy. So this one may actually come with a little bit more items, the one from Shein, because this one, it looks bigger, yes, but at the same time it's because it has the wax pen in the middle, but they have the same, this one has more like square spaces than this one. So I realized the heart pieces that I bought off of Shein thinking that they were smaller came out to be pretty big, but they said it was nail gems. But okay, so this one from Shein was $1.93 and it comes with 20 pieces, so it comes out to 9 cents per heart, which is cool. I guess you could like use it for other stuff, but it's really not for nails. Shein's green gems came out to $2.03. The red one came out to $2.12. And the gold/champagne color came out to $1.84. So that's a big difference compared to Amazon's was $8.99 and Shein is $2.12. Like that's pretty sickly. The star gems for 10 pieces, the star gems, it was $1.47. Each piece came out to 14 cents. The Amazon one was 30 cents per piece. This is 14 cents per piece. It was $5.99 for Amazon and it's $1.47 from Shein. The butterflies, $1.47 also, but it came out to 7 cents per piece because it came with 20 butterflies. The packaging for Shein is a little bit better for the heart gems. So these were $2.86 compared, and it came out to 9 cents per gem, almost 40 cents per piece for Amazon. Then the other heart gems, this one came out to $2.21, so it was 11 cents per piece compared to Amazon, which is 26 cents per piece. So that's kind of crazy. I'm hoping when I open up the Aliexpress that it is smaller than this. I thought these were like such a cute thing, but I don't know, I could have been mistaken and it could come out to be the same size. Oh my god. It came out to the same size. Oh shit, I lost one. Yeah, they came out to the same size. And that's what I saw on Amazon, but like for some reason, Aliexpress and Shein made it look like it was smaller. Like it looked like I was able to put it on nails. Like it did not look as big as it did in person. Shein came with 20. This one came with 30. I can kind of see a difference. I might have to count them and see. So I lost one there, but this one from AliExpress was $3.65, and from Shein it was $1.93. This came out to 12 cents a piece, and then for Shein it came out to 9 cents a piece. AliExpress, it's the same box size as Shein, but it came with a lot of more of a variety of gems. Like this one, like a whole row is just flat back circle gems. This one doesn't have any at all. This one has like a full set of like different types of shapes and sizes of gems. This one from Aliexpress was $12.26. And it said that it had around like 500 to 600 pieces, which is what Amazon also claimed. But this one doesn't come with any circle, which is, I feel like it depends. If you are looking for that, then that would be a better deal to get one with the circle back there. And Shein was $7.52 and Aliexpress was $12.26. It does come with a wax pen though, so that's pretty nice. So the green one was $1.86, so it does beat Shein. So Shein was $2.03 and Aliexpress was $1.86. For the red one, it was $1.88, and for the gold champagne, it was $1.85. So Aliexpress does take the cake with that one. Wait a second. I was supposed to get this one came with the butterfly. All right, so I lied. I am missing a package from Aliexpress. I have not received it yet, but I'm missing the butterfly and I'm missing the star gems. I know it didn't come with the other circle gems, but I was able to order the star and the butterfly, but I don't have it. So see, like sometimes it does take a little bit longer, but I've waited a while. The butterfly gems, it was $1.14, which is a little cheaper than Shein because Shein's was $1.47. Aliexpress came with 10 pieces and Shein came with 20. So it was 11 cents per piece, and for Shein, it was only 7 cents per piece. For the star gems, it was 74 cents from Aliexpress. I don't know what the quantity is. I'm gonna have to go back and see like what my order said. I think it said like 10 pieces. I don't think it was more than 10, but it was 74 cents. So I may have not gotten that. Like, oh my God, I just realized I didn't receive those. Oh, how annoying, but hopefully I get it soon. So I just came back from the gym and I checked the mail and I did receive them. They just came in. These are the two missing pieces I was missing from Aliexpress. It's the butterfly and the star gem. I'll get a closer clip of them. And yeah, this one looks just like the Amazon butterflies. They're a little bit bigger. And these are the stars. So I'm gonna grab you guys real quick just to show you the differences close up. All of the quality from them like looks pretty decent. They all look kind of the same. Like there's not a big difference between any of them. The only difference is like the gems at the bottom of the Amazon one compared to the other two. So I'll show you guys. Okay, so this one is Amazon. You can see it comes with the circle flat back ones, a dotting tool and tweezers. You can see like the different pieces. So this one was $29.69. This one was the Shein one. A good variety of different gems there too. And for Shein, this was $7.52. This one is Aliexpress. You can see that there's no circle gems. It's literally just a whole variety of different sizes and shapes and stuff like that. This one was $12.26. Okay, so I don't have Aliexpress. Hopefully I get it in soon, but this one is going to be the Amazon one and this one's going to be the Shein one. Amazon one was $5.99 and for Shein it was $1.47. There is 10 and there's 20 in this one, so there's a little bit of a difference there, but just to zoom in on the quality of the gems, they look pretty identical. These are the heart gems. For Amazon on this side, it was $7.99, and Shein on this side for $2.21. There's 20 pieces in Shein, and there's 30 pieces in Amazon. So they come with the same pieces, which is pretty nice. I don't see much of a difference. I don't know if I can get better lighting on this, but you can see this is Shein and this is Amazon. So these are the other heart gems that I ordered. This side is Amazon, this one is Shein. Shein came with a little bit better packaging and they kind of don't have similar items in each one, and they both had the same exact picture for like that they were promoting. They're a little bit smaller than the Shein ones, which are a little bit wider and bigger, and the pearls are half of the heart and there's one whole pearl, but like similar concepts, but they're not the same at all. Amazon was $8.99 and it came with 24 pieces, and Shein $2.86 and it came with 30 pieces. So this one came with a little bit more per piece. This one was almost 40 cents per piece, and this one was 9 cents per piece. All right, these are the butterfly gems. So for Amazon, it was $4.90 for 12 pieces. For Shein, it was $1.47 for 20 pieces. So each piece for Amazon was 41 cents. Each piece for Shein was 7 cents. There is a difference between the sizes. Shein does come with a little bit of a smaller gem, but honestly, like, these seem more practical for nails than this one. This one will get caught in your hair a lot more. It's still really kind of similar quality. The Amazon one has way more gems than the Shein one, but that's because it's a lot smaller. These were the the big charms that I accidentally got, and this one is from Aliexpress, this one is from Shein, $1.93, and this one was $3.65. But this one came with 20 pieces, and this one came with 30 pieces, so 12 cents per piece, and this one was 9 cents per piece. In quality of the hearts, like, they look pretty similar. This one came with more color variety than the one from Shein, so I don't know, I guess this one was an accident, but oh well, still really cute. And these are the colored gems. So for the first one, the first row is going to be Aliexpress, and they look pretty good, pretty basic. Like, they look exactly like the ones from Shein, which is this one. They literally look identical, like the two literally look identical. But the thing I was saying was this top part from the Amazon cart, like, it's not even gems, it's literally just crystals at the top of each one. And it looks like the Amazon one comes with like a little bit more. You can see like it's a little bit more sparse here compared to the Amazon one, which looks a little bit more full. So this is Shein, and then this is and then this is Aliexpress. So Shein looks like I don't know, but it depends. Like, the red one don't look as full, but the gold ones from Shein look really full. Aliexpress one was the cheapest. It was around $1.86, $1.88, $1.85. For Shein, it was $2.03, $2.12, $1.84. And for Amazon, it was $6.74, $8.99 for red, $6.99 for gold. So pretty big difference there in price. Aliexpress does take the cake with that one, but they're all pretty similar, honestly. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was as interesting as it was for me, seeing like the crazy price difference between all of them. And on top of that, like, I was not expecting Shein to be the cheapest option, because usually I buy most of my items from Aliexpress because they do sometimes come out to be cheaper, but with doing this, it shows me that Shein kind of takes the cake with that one. And yeah, so I'm gonna be stuck here organizing all of the new gems I have that I had to order, and yeah, wish me luck. But thank you guys for watching. I will be better at posting, I hope. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys. Bye.